rural development for me is about keeping rural people engaged in rural areas and engaged in a fruitful, constructive manner in which rural areas can flourish. If rural people were to go away, and just leave their homes behind, there is no rural development happening. How can we, prepare this career graph for rural educated youth and really give them various, career options? But even today, a very educated young person from the rural area has nothing to do in the rural area. And this must change. This must change to the extent that, if we are teaching rural children to become engineers, to become doctors, there should be those same opportunities of employment opened up, alongside as we are educating, little children to go into high schools and high school children to go into university education or become, some specialists of some kind. It comes along with the fact that we need to have opportunities for them. All of urbanization, I wouldn't say is the best of way to go forward. If there is a rural area, there can be prosperity in a rural area as being a farming area or simple, handicrafts area actually. And this is where, there needs to be a lot of think tank coming in as to how we can build opportunities for the educated rural youth to stay back in their beautiful homes, to enjoy their beautiful rural environments and not being forced to leave their homes behind and struggle it out in the city. I think this is the need of the hour. Young people belonging to the rural areas, are already in beautiful spaces where urban people want to come. A lot of urban people rush out on the weekends and want to be in open spaces. So people who are already in these beautiful spaces have to stay calm and say, what am I going to find around myself rather than rush to the city? There's something available for me here. I may not make as much money as I would in the city, but definitely there's something for me to explore, there's something for me to earn and learn and so on. And therefore, I'm always advising rural youth that, find around your own space. What is it that you really would like to do? And there is something that you can really find which is challenging, but really it will grow you in such a way that you will be contented, fulfilled, in the next 5 years, 10 years.